What if the future of AI wasn't in sprawling data centers, but out at sea? We're diving into a radical new approach to cloud computing, then uncovering some potential dangers as AI starts playing doctor. Before we wrap up with a bunch of cool announcements like Claude finally finding its voice. Let's get into it. First up, data centers. They're the backbone of the AI revolution, but they guzzle energy and take up tons of space. Aikido is aiming to solve both those problems with floating data centers, powered by offshore wind turbines. Imagine massive, self-contained server farms bobbing gently in the ocean, drawing power directly from the wind. Aikido plans to launch an experimental unit later this year, and if it works, it could drastically cut down on the environmental impact and land use of AI infrastructure. Definitely one to keep an eye on. Speaking of money and AI, let's talk about a slightly concerning trend in AI startup funding. Some companies are selling the same equity at two different prices. It's not your typical Series A or B round. Some founders are leveraging different equity structures, offering preferred terms to some investors, while others get a less favorable deal. While this can allow companies to raise more capital, it also raises questions about transparency and fairness. Are valuations being artificially inflated? It's a complex situation with potential risks for investors and the overall health of the AI ecosystem. And the money doesn't stop there, because the battle over AI regulation is heating up, and it's getting expensive. A super PAC, bankrolled by tech billionaires, is dropping a staggering $125 million to influence congressional races. Their target? Candidates who support stricter AI regulation. One particular focus is on former tech executive Alex Bors, who is running for Congress and has made AI regulation a key part of his platform. This is a high-stakes showdown between big tech and those who believe AI needs tighter controls. The outcome could have a major impact on the future of AI development and deployment. Okay, switching gears to something a little less politically charged. Let's talk ChatGPT. Remember all those times it told you to calm down out of nowhere? Well, OpenAI is finally addressing that with GPT 5.3 Instant, a new version of its flagship model. This update is specifically designed to reduce those condescending and unsolicited interventions. For months, users have been reporting these instances where ChatGPT would abruptly tell them to chill out, even when the conversation was perfectly normal. Hopefully, GPT 5.3 Instant will make for a smoother, less irritating user experience. And while we're talking about AI assistants, Anthropic's Claude Code just got a major upgrade. Voice mode. This isn't just about dictation. It's a step towards a more intuitive and natural way to interact with AI. The company just rolled out voice mode, taking its AI coding assistant to the next level. Early access users are already raving about how it streamlines the coding process and makes collaboration with the AI feel more like a conversation with a colleague. Coding with your voice. Who would have thought? Now let's talk about X, formerly Twitter. They're cracking down on AI-generated content, specifically posts about armed conflict. The social media platform announced that creators who post unlabeled AI-generated content depicting armed conflict will face suspension from its revenue-sharing program. This is a clear attempt to combat the spread of misinformation and deepfakes, but it also raises questions about censorship and the platform's role in policing AI-generated content. Creators, take note. Label your AI-generated content or risk losing your revenue stream. Meanwhile, Binance is diving deeper into AI, announcing 7 new AI agent skills. These skills give AI agents within the Binance ecosystem access to core trading functionalities and user data. This means AI can now execute trades, manage portfolios, and provide personalized investment advice, all within the Binance platform. Is this the future of crypto trading? It's certainly a bold move, and one that could significantly alter the landscape of the crypto market. And if you want to learn all about this stuff, Anthropic just dropped a whole bunch of free educational resources. They're offering 13 courses covering a wide range of AI topics, from the basics of machine learning to more advanced concepts like AI safety and ethics. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to up their AI skills and gain a deeper understanding of this rapidly evolving field. From one extreme, of a whole suite of free education on the topic, we go to another extreme. Can you imagine an AI model that's just 1/1000th the size of current models? Researchers have achieved exactly that by drawing inspiration from biological neural networks, specifically monkey neurons. By mimicking the structure and function of these neurons, they've created a highly efficient AI vision model that's incredibly compact. This could lead to a new generation of AI devices that are smaller, faster, and more energy efficient, paving the way for AI in embedded systems and IoT devices. But before you get too excited about the all-conquering power of AI, let's talk about its limitations, especially in healthcare. A recent Oxford study has raised serious questions about the effectiveness of AI chatbots in analyzing medical records. AI is making inroads into healthcare, with platforms like ChatGPT Health and Claude now offering analysis of medical records and data from wearable devices. But the study found that these chatbots often struggle to accurately interpret complex medical information. So, while AI can be a valuable tool in healthcare, it's important to remember that it's not a replacement for human expertise and critical thinking. Your AI doctor may have limits. So, there you have it. From floating data centers to AI doctors with limitations, the world of AI is constantly evolving. We're seeing exciting new developments, innovative applications, and also some important questions about ethics, regulation, and the limits of AI's capabilities. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to track the rapidly changing world of artificial intelligence.